Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install APKs in Amazfit watches. So without any delay, let's get started. So first step, connect the charging dock to the laptop or PC. And now plug in the watch. After that, install the Amazmod service to your PC. I will give the link in the description box below. Open Amazmod service and click next. Here you can install or uninstall the Amazmod to your watch. Click next. Then click install. Don't forget to connect your Amazfit watch to your PC. Then wait for some time. After the process completed, the Amazmod installed. So you can terminate the terminal and click next, finish. After that, reboot your Amazfit watch and wait to turn it on. Thought that your watch can't do more? Well, it sure can. Here in the application drawer, you can see Amazmod application. So click on that. Now you can see some of the modes like apps manager, file manager and recorder widget, and some of the stuffs that are handy are available. In the recorder widget, you can add many number of widgets. In stock Amazfit OS, you can add only 2 widgets. Also there is Amazmod widget as well. This is how Amazmod widget looks like. There's a file manager, app manager, and there's a Wi-Fi, battery that will always on. There's a messages as well. Next step is install the Amazmod application in your mobile. So open the Play Store, search for Amazmod and install that application. Then open the application. There's a settings. You can modify of your needs. And there is file manager as well. That's your Amazfit watch file manager, file explorer. So you can add anything like images, videos as well as APKs to install in your watch. This is the tweaks. You can reboot and many other things in the tweaking box. These all are the widgets. You can control widgets of your watches in here in your mobile. These are the basic stuffs like heart sensor, walking steps, etc. in the home screen of Amazmod. To install APKs in smartwatches, copy the APK to your smartwatches through your PC and then open the file manager in Amazfit watch and search for the APK that you moved through your PC, and after that click on the application you desire to install. If you long press, it will ask to delete. So click once and press install. Wait for the application to install. After a few minutes, the application will be installed to your smartwatch. So this is how the applications are installed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.